In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Robinhood account safely and securely. Whether you're managing your investments or just checking on your portfolio, logging in is the first step, and it's important to do it correctly. I'll walk you through the process, explaining each step along the way so you can follow along easily on your computer or your mobile device. First, start by opening up Robinhood. If you're on your computer, go to the Robinhood website using your preferred browser. If you're using your phone, simply open the Robinhood app. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection, as this will help prevent any interruptions during the login process. Once you've reached the website or opened the app, look for the Sign In button. On the website, you'll usually find this option in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. On the app, it's typically right on the main page. Go ahead and click or tap Sign In to continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your registered email address or your username. Take a moment to double check and make sure you're typing in the correct information, as entering an incorrect email or username will prevent you from accessing your account. If you're not sure which email or username is linked to your Robinhood account, you might want to check any confirmation emails you received when signing up. After you've entered your email address or username, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, being mindful of any uppercase or lowercase letters, as well as special characters. If you have trouble remembering your password, Robinhood does offer a Forgot Password option, which can help you reset it safely. Once both your email or username and your password are entered, click or tap the Login button. This will submit your credentials and begin the login process. For added security, Robinhood may prompt you to complete two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is an important security measure that helps protect your account. You might receive a code via SMS to your phone, or if you have an authenticator app set up, you'll need to enter the code displayed there. Enter this code as prompted on your screen. After you've successfully completed two-factor authentication, that's it. You'll then be logged into your Robinhood account. From here, you can view your portfolio, make trades, or check out any investment opportunities. Always remember to log out when you're finished, especially if you're using a shared device. And never share your password or authentication codes with anyone to keep your account safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for logging into Robinhood.